about 82 miles from Steinhatchee to Carabel. And it's 5 o'clock. And we're going to stay at a marina so we can get some marina supplies. And the dock master is closing, but we're going to call him on his cell phone and he's going to come and help us. Over there is Dog Island. And over there, Carabel. And tomorrow, hopefully we won't be out in all of this anymore. We'll be back in the rivers where we can deal with bridges and locks.